Luke, I am your father. I don't really care about what's gonna be this will be the end of you right now. Oh, no, it'll be the end of you, stupid Ren Minor. Oh, I'll see ya.